Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Jupiter Farms local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers has a solid track record of offering exceptional local moving services. Their flexibility in dealing with any complications from moving, such as traffic and parking issues, makes them an excellent choice. With years of experience and commitment to the Jupiter Farms community, you can rely on 3 Movers for exceptional collaboration and professional local moving. Parking and crating is one of the local services offered by 3 Movers, as they are responsible for packing, boxing, and unpacking your belongings. Other local services are storage options, local moves within Jupiter Farms and its environs, and standardized packing tools to shield your items against damage. 3 Movers is a long-distance moving company with a reputation for completing long-distance transfers efficiently and protecting their clients' valuables throughout the relocation. With them, you should be confident of a smooth and error-free transfer. Your long-distance move will be outstandingly successful with their expertise in facilitating seamless moving cross-country or cross-state and their adroit team. Their competent team will ensure an effective collaboration during the relocation and that their trucks and equipment are in good condition for long-distance travel. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jupiter Farms moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.